Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. Hello, hello, hello. So I'm talking today about your NAICS code. Your NAICS code are all of you that are looking at doing business with the government. It's actually a 6-digit that describes the services and products that you're looking to sell to the government. Now, you may say, I've heard all about this. I know what I'm looking at, but you'd be surprised. There are primary and secondary. So stay tuned in this video. If you're looking to do business with the government, you're looking for a cleaning contract, but maybe you want to add a couple other services to be able to make you more marketable. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly that. Ready? Let's go. So I'm sharing my screen so you can actually go to NAICS Code, NAICS.com, and you're going to go to find your code. Now, those of you that have been looking at my videos for a while, you know that I talk a lot about facility support services and janitorial. But the confusion comes in is, what if I want to do window cleaning? Or what if I'm looking at doing carpet and upholstery or landscaping? Which NAICS code is that? So we're going to look at the NAICS code that actually has that in there. And if you're interested, you're going to go to naicscode.com, go to keywords, simply let's put in landscaping, and then we hit search. I love it because it comes up instantly. It lets us know that 561730 is for landscaping, and that includes snow, landscaping, property, maintenance, all of that, seasonal. Now, that is what you want to write down if you may want to do that as a secondary, because when you're doing sam.gov, you have to choose a primary. I get a lot of people that say, well, can I put more on sam.gov? Absolutely. But SAM makes you choose one primary. So if your primary background or something you enjoy doing is landscaping, then choose 561730. Let's say you like doing janitorial. So then you're going to put in the words janitorial, and you're going to put in janitorial services and see what you think is going to be that one. When that comes up, it's going to have janitorial services 561720. You hear me talk a lot about 561720. So it actually talks about janitorial services when it comes to aircraft, and it is also for janitorial housekeeping. So if you want to know more, you just click onto it and it gives you what it includes. So like I said, this includes landscaping. So let's go back a little bit because it kind of took me out of janitorial. We're going to go right back, hit search again, and we go into janitorial services, and it brings up janitorial services, and it talks about what it does. This includes custodial, housekeeping, greasing, anything when it comes to maid service, disinfecting, sanitizing, which is a real popular during the pandemic, and I'm guessing right after and continuing on. So 561720 is going to cover your janitorial services. Now, if you're looking at doing carpet, let's put in carpet services, because a lot of people are interested in doing carpet services. And then you hit search, and it's going to give you carpet services. And under carpet, you're going to put it in. You click onto it, and it tells you what that is. That is 561740. And it goes into anything when it comes to cleaning upholstery, rugs, carpets, so on and so forth. What I love about this is it gives you everything. I'm going to do my last one, which is facilities support services. Now, this is the one that I did a lot because it includes so much. This one is actually going to be 561210. And this is going to be government-based facilities operation services. I love that one. This encompasses janitorial, maintenance, trash disposal, guard, security, laundry, all of those, everything except for like computers, IT. So get familiar with NAICS so that way you can look at what you want before you go to SAMS. Now, the other question I get a lot is when I'm looking at providing my capability statement. For those of you that do not know, look through my other videos. I go into great deal of what your capability statement is, which is basically that one-page resume that you need to provide to the government to let them know what you can do. When you're doing that, you want to make sure that that's when you can use as many as you would like when it comes to what kind of services, but I still say they should all be related. So let's say you're looking at doing facility support services, landscaping, janitorial, all of those would be relatable, but it would probably be good to put human resources, or like you did nursing home care, put that on a totally different capability statement, but they're all going to be listed on your SAMs. That's where people get confused. SAMs includes all of them. But on your capability statement, you want to put ones that are relatable, just like you would if you were doing a resume. Makes sense? I hope so. Well, if you'd like to know more, guess what you can do? You can actually join me on Wednesday when I give my workshop on everything you need to do to scale your business to well over 6 figures and beyond. How? Using government cleaning contracts. Time is a ticking. It's really getting into the crunch when they start really utilizing that money. They're getting close to the end of the year and they want to give your company what you need. So make sure you know what your NAICS codes are. You understand what all the different NAICS codes are. Simply come to NAICScodes.com. You understand what you need to do for your sam.gov and what you need to do for your capability statement. But if you have any other questions, I'd love to see you there. Space is limited. So make sure that you click the link in the description to register now. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.